In this quick video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in Hungarian. Whether you want to translate the ChatGPT interface to Hungarian or engage in a full conversation in Hungarian, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make that happen. It's important to note that ChatGPT is officially available in English. And as you can see, there's no settings menu on the left-hand side to change language preferences directly. However, there's a workaround to achieve this. I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows PC for this tutorial. If you're using a different device, browser, or operating system, the steps might be a bit different, but I recommend using Google Chrome to follow along, as the method I'm showing works best with this browser. Once you're on ChatGPT in Google Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate. If your browser is set to English, click on the three-dot menu, then choose Select Another Language. Scroll down and select Hungarian from the list, then click Translate. Within moments, the page will be translated into Hungarian. To have ChatGPT reply to you in Hungarian, all you need to do is type or speak to it in Hungarian. ChatGPT will automatically detect the language and respond in Hungarian. For example, I've copied the phrase "Hogi Vegi," which means, "How are you?" in Hungarian, and pasted it into ChatGPT. If you encounter an error or notice a delay in the response, simply refresh the page and try again. You'll get a response in Hungarian shortly after. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.